Common greetings and responses in English. Learn basic English conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Vault. In today's video, we're going to learn how to greet people in English and how to respond to greetings. Greetings are an important part of everyday conversation. Let's learn how to start a conversation. 1. Common greetings. Basic greetings with clear pronunciation and context. Hello. This is the most common and general greeting used any time of day. Example. Hello. How are you? Hi. A more casual version of hello used among friends and family. Example. Hi, what's up? Good morning. Used before 12 p.m., usually in the morning. Example. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good afternoon. Used afternoon until around 5 or 6 p.m. Example. Good afternoon. How's your day going? Good evening. Used after 5 p.m. or when it starts to get dark. Example. Good evening. How was your day? Hey. An informal way to say hi, often used with friends or family. Example. Hey. How's it going? 2. Formal greetings. More formal greetings used in professional or respectful situations. How do you do? Very formal and polite, mostly used in business or formal events. Example. Good evening. How do you do? Good day. Formal but less commonly used in casual situations. Example. Good day. How can I help you? Let's practice together. Say hello. 3. Responding to greetings. Respond when someone greets you. I'm good, thank you. And you? Example. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thanks. What about you? Example. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. What about you? I'm doing well, thank you. Another polite response. Example. Hi. How's it going? I'm doing well, thanks. Not bad, thank you. A more casual response, often used when things are okay but not great. Example. Hey, how are you? Not bad, thanks. 4. Informal responses. More casual situations can use these informal responses. I'm great, thanks. How about you? Example. Hey, how's it going? I'm great, thanks. How about you? I'm all right. Example. Hi, how are you today? I'm all right. I'm okay, thanks. Example. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay, thanks. Same as always. Casual response when nothing has changed. Example. Hey, how's life? Same as always. And repeat. What would you say if someone said, Hi, how are you? 5. Goodbye phrases. It's important to know how to end a conversation too. These common ways to say goodbye. Goodbye. Standard way to end a conversation. Example. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Bye. Casual and informal version of goodbye. Example. Bye. Have a nice day. See you later. Used when you'll see the person again soon. Example. See you later. Take care. Take care. A polite way to wish someone well. Example. Goodbye. Take care. 6. Practice conversations. Example dialogue. Person 1 asks person 2. Hello, how are you? Person 2 responds to person 1. Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Person 1 responds to person 2. I'm doing well, thanks. Nice to see you. Person 2 responds to person 1. Nice to see you too. Bye. 7. Review and quick quiz. Review the main greetings and responses. Hello, hi, good morning, how are you? Responses. I'm fine, I'm good, not bad. Quiz. What would you say if someone says, Good morning? Countdown starts. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning some common greetings and responses today. Practice in the comments by telling us how you would greet a friend or a colleague. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English videos.